RJ, do it again. You naughty boy. You naughty boy. No, that's daddy's. Oh, you got boogies. No, that's daddy's. Get mommy again. Throw part of mommy again.
Give me some tissues in here.
Hey, big boy. No, that's daddy's. That's daddy's. Oh, hi, big boy. No, that's daddy's.
Just a shadow.
You naughty little boy. No, that's daddy's. Daddy's phone. No. That's daddy. Olivia told him that. Then he looks at you. Olivia, go get the tissues like mommy asked for, please. No, that's daddy's. It's daddy's. Look at you, saliva boy. Drooling all over the place. Reagan, what are you doing? No, that's daddy's. Get mommy again. Oh, go get mommy. Olivia, you see what you taught your brother? Where are you? OG. Oh, there you are. Olivia, I'm gonna spank you, OG. Yes, look what you taught your brother. I know that was you. You're the only one that does that here. No, Reagan. You're the only one that does that, Olivia. You do that to him all the time.
No.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I know you do all the funny business here. Little comedian.
Messy boy.
Hey, curly hair boy, you done? You done with the farts? The mouth farts? Oh! Hey, that light is bright. Oh, no, Reagan, what are you doing to daddy? Hey. What's wrong, Olivia?
A shadow.
You scared of Reagan's shadow?
Yeah.
Oh, that means it's... You see his shadow? That means it's 5 more years of winter.
What did you give me to winter? You want me to winter?
Oh. Reagan, where are you going? You little rock climber? Olivia, I cannot believe you taught Reagan that fraqueria. Why are you in your princess outfit?
That's your shadow.
Hi, RJ. Hey. You. You see your shadow, Olivia, over there?
Yes, I do.
Your hair shadow.
Unless you make
Reagan, you're a little clown.
Oh, be careful.
Olivia.
Told you, be careful.
Reagan, you're a little clown. Oh, I'm supposed to be taking a nap here. And I got you two little aliens invading my space here. Oh! You two aliens are invading my space here. I'm trying to take a nap. Hey, are you trying to eat? Hey! Hey!
Do it on you.
No, not on daddy. Daddy gets spanking for that. You don't throw fart on daddy. Alright, I think it's enough of this Cloverfield / Blair Witch Project camera work here. Alright, hey! You just drooled on me! I should spank you for that, little boy. I'm going to get you. Daddy's coming. Oh no. Your daddy's coming. Your daddy's coming. Big cheeks. Oh! You scared of RJ's shadow? How can you be scared of a shadow, Olivia?
Because it's big.
It's big. It's spooky.
Yeah.
It's a spooky shadow. Oh, here comes a shadow again. Look at his hair shadow. Hey, big boy. Here comes the shadow again. Oh my God, look at that shadow on the ceiling. Oh no. Oh, stop being such a drama queen. Hey, hey. Oh no, Olivia to the rescue.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
OG, do you have some nice words to tell everybody?
Ah!
What happened?
Reagan.
He bit you?
Yeah,
That's my
hard. No, Papa, no biting.
I thought,
No biting.
I thought he did the fart sound.
Ah!
No biting.
I thought he did. Did he spank you?
Papa.
Reagan, you don't spank. Hey, no,
Pow, pow.
Reagan, pow pow. You don't spank mommy. Little fresh boy. He's never done that to me.
Hit me hard.
He's never hit me. It's because he's scared of me. That's how it works. Fear. Right, Olivia? You scared of Daddy? What? You not scared of me? You'll be scared of the shadow. Ooh! Look at that! Oh my God! Look at that curly hair. Look at that curly hair shadow. Ooh. Oh my God! Look at that fro. That little curly hair fro. Oh no!
You said my side of my feet.
Your feet. Put your feet up. Oh no! Look at that Bigfoot shadow over there. Oh my goodness. Your feet are bigger than normal. Oh no!
That's my feet. That's my feet.
Just your feet. You're not scared of your foot shadow? Let's do the Reagan's afro shadow. Oh, there it goes. Oh no! Oh no! Look at that! Oh, that's funny. All right, guys. Right, Reagan. No more fart sounds for you. High five. Ow! Hey!
I don't trust you now, little boy.
Oh, Reagan, mommy don't trust you now. You're gonna bite her when you do a farty sound. He did the fart sound, then he bit you? That's my boy there. That's my boy there. That's my boy there.
That's not nice.
That's my boy there. Hey, are you giving Daddy Papa on the booty? Hey, who's that? Olivia, don't do that.
I can't sing you.
I have some crazy kids. Two crazy kitties. Hey, oh, Olivia, your screen broke the camera. Uh-oh, I think Scooby-Doo finished. That means it's bedtime. All right, you're lucky. I'm being generous today. It's only spanking time. Spanking time, then bedtime. Does that work for you, Olivia? Look at your oh no! Look at your afro shadow, Olivia. Oh, you're not scared of your afro shadow? Oh!
That's just Reagan.
No, that was yours, sweetheart.
Oh.
All right. My hands are hurting from holding this phone up. All right, guys. Hey, Reagan, hold up.
Alright, guys, double shadows.
No more shadows.
Yes, shadows.
He gets mad when I hold him back.
My shadows. My feet.
Are you getting mad because I don't let you go, Reagan? No, you can't go over there, big boy. Big boy, stay over here. Ooh. Reagan, do you have some party words for the camera audience? Do you have some party words? Oh, okay. Okay, point. Hey! Point taken. All right, bye-bye.